Maling for our wedding. Lahat, basically lahat ng taong imbitado doon. Ultimo nanay ko. Napakahirap at the point na nagtatry na ako. Napakamadali mo. Sa hindi ako yung sinungaling. Ang dami kong pakisip. Ako napaaling din ako. Hindi namin alam sa namin dalawa. Kinausap ko. Wala talaga. Parang shotgun wedding ang dating nito actually. No, I don't know anything. They just, can you be our Nina? Ay, hindi ko sinasabi. At all.
Sorry, I have to leave kasi meron akong taping out of town. Kasi yan na high blood ako eh. Secret, bawal ang bawal ang camera, bawal ang cellphone.
Take you away. Ito lang yung parang, kasi parang proof ko. Swearing niya, sumasayaw lang na ganun kami talaga. Nakakatuwa na pinagbigyan nila kami. Tama yung sinabi nila Ayan na siguro mayroon kami mabuting nagawa sa mga tao to para ibigay nila sa amin itong espesyal at simpleng kahilingan na ito. Siyempre, natutuwa ako for both.
Yakal,
Oo, siyempre, kahit pa paano, di ba, parang Ryan, parang bago na kitang pamangkin.
Would you encourage other celebrities of ABS to have their marriage silent or secret?
Ay nako, kung saan sila masaya. Who cares what the whole world says? Follow your heart.
And I'm very happy for you, and I'm very happy for the family that you will create one day. And isa lang naman ang wish lagi sa lahat ng mga bagong kasal is that no matter what happens, si mama humira magka-problema or what, as long as you're happy together and you wake up each morning knowing that you want to live one more day with each other and spend the rest of your life looking at each other's eyes and saying that it's still worth it, then this wedding would have been the best day of your life.
Congratulations at sana maging masaya kayo palagi. Maligaya, masaya. Juday, Ryan, welcome to the journey. I wish you love, peace, happiness, beautiful children, health, and abundance.
Neighbor, I'm so happy for you and you really deserve it. Ang saya-saya ko for you dahil eto na, lumagay ka na sa tahimik. At saka, sana tumagal pa ang inyong pagsasama at makakita tayo ng mga little Ryans and little Judays in the future. I love you, neighbor, and Ryan, congratulations and best wishes. At mahalin mo si Juday.
Ryan, to Juday, congratulations talaga from the bottom of my heart. Alam mo, we're really so happy for you kasi talagang you really brought out the best in each other. You both look so good and you look so happy. I want nothing but the best for you. God bless both of you.
Juday and Ryan, you have constantly evolved as Judy Ann Santos and as Ryan Agoncillo. But now, as Mr. and Mrs. Agoncillo, what a wonderful miracle you have shown everybody that in this age of confusion, of pandemics, of war, and so much questions, yes, love can still conquer all.
I believe in your partnership, especially in your friendship. So my prayers for you is always for your family to be healthy, safe, and always be happy. I've known you, Juday. For many years, you are a good, caring, and loving person. So that makes Ryan a very lucky husband. Juday, I wish that the lack of you have been enjoying in your career will extend to your married life. Ryan, you have never been involved in any controversy, and you have also taken good care of your name. That's why I consider you the perfect husband for Juday.
Alam mo how happy you are inside, happy you on the outside. I think Ryan does that. They're good for each other. I don't think you could have chosen a better man for Juday. And, well, sorry. yayaman natin also, I believe, could never be chosen as this.
Juday and Ryan, hindi man ako naging bahagi sa inyong kasalan bilang ama-amahan, pero i-consider ko pa rin ang sarili ko. Kung merong mang problema, naririto ang inyong ama sa showbiz. Sa mga tao narito o mga nasa labas, tonight, don't disturb dahil sila po ay makakaranas ng walang tulugan. Yun naman! Congratulations. God bless.
Ate Juday and Kuya Ryan, congratulations to the both of you, and I wish you all the best, all the happiness in this world. You both deserve it kasi kayo talagang pinatunayan nyo na love can make anything possible. And with that, we're all inspired and we're all happy for the both of you. At babies na, we're so excited. I love you both. Congratulations.
My thanks would be simple. My thanks would be to the whole world. Thanks for letting us be ourselves. And thanks for giving us that truth on our special day na nagbalik yung tiwala namin sa pagmamahal at sa pagkakaibigan. Yun yung pinakita sa amin ng buong mundo na ang pagmamahal at pagkakaibigan may lugar pa. Kapag may totoo at may maganda, yun yung ibabalik sa'yo. And that's what I have to thank everyone for, making us believe in love and friendship all over again.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Selecta 3-in-1 Plus 1.
Sa lahat na may birthday ngayon, may dagdag sorpresa kami sa inyo. Your favorite 3-in-1 flavors, dagdag laki, dagdag sarap. 95 pesos lang. Selecta 3-in-1. Woo!
Selecta, #1 ice cream ng bayan.
Ang paulit-ulit na ubong ni Kati, Kirot, at Kahon. Ito si Ran, may power ng extra para off ang ubo.